We have created this video for those looking to apply for social housing in Wealden. This video should give you a general overview of the application process. We will be creating some more videos that will focus on the details of the process. To create an application, you will need to go to a website called sussexhomemove.org.uk. There is no other way to access social housing in Wealden, so everything will use this page. Remember, your application will all be online and will take some time to complete. It's important to read it all though, because this will speed up the process in the long run. The first part of the process is to complete the application form, which looks like this. This form gathers basic information about your situation and allows us to work out if you are eligible for housing assistance in Wealden. If eligible, you will see a page like this. And if not eligible, you will see a page like this. Remember, even if your screen says you are eligible, you won't be on the register yet. Just like applying for a passport, we need to verify what you have answered on the form. This means that we will ask you for some documents as proof. To upload these documents, you will need to have a Sussex Home Move account. You can find out how to create a Sussex Home Move account by heading to the link in the description below. Please remember, if you do not have an account and do not upload your documents, you won't be able to bid on properties. Please be aware that after submitting your documents, there will be a delay of some weeks. When you are made live, you'll be notified in writing. So, to summarise, to access social housing in Wealden, you must go to the Sussex Home Move website at www.sussexhomemove.org.uk/choice. Complete the application form. Create a Home Move account if you have not done so already. And upload documents which support the things that you have told us on your form.